This is a what if video. What if the emergency alert system was in video games? Let's turn up the audio. And let's begin. Let's begin, shall we? Oops. Stop doing that. Let's begin, shall we?
We interrupt your music. This is a device-wide emergency. This is an emergency action notification. All jumping cubes will receive this emergency action notification message. This game has interrupted its music at the request of Smash Bros. III to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, all games will continue to play normally to provide news and information to people playing video games. This is the Impossible Game. This game will continue to serve this iPod Touch 4th generation, owned by Smash Bros. III. If you are not playing video games, that's great, because there's a real national emergency going on. See what happens when you play video games too long? Now go watch television or something. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All video games may now resume normal music. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All video games may now resume normal music.
What you just saw could be a reality if the Federal Communications Commission would do it. Sorry, I had a little bit of something in my throat. This is the Impossible Game on iOS. I'm on an iOS 5 device, which is shocking, but like I went to iFile and the file's really easy to edit. All you had to replace was an audio file and a picture file to make that happen. That was, what if the emergency alert system was in video games? Unfinished edition, pretty much. I was going to have an air raid siren as the cheering, but, you know. There's 4 levels, but I don't have them. So, I don't think I can go back, can I? No. Whatever. I don't care. But that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you can like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how would you feel if the emergency alert system wasn't actual video games, like actual video game levels. This is just a mod. We could say mod. Changing a picture in an audio file isn't exactly it, but I guess it is. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. I cannot do the peace logo as I am, like the peace sign, as I'm holding my Vita with one hand and holding my iPod with another. I'm going to show y'all proof that I'm on iOS 5 real quick. Where's my settings app in here? I've lost it. Alright, so here's my iPod. So yeah, it's going in. Alright, alright, so here's my iPod, Smash Bros. III, fun stuff, version 5.0.1, 9A405, so, you know, fun stuff. So, once again, version 5.0.1. So, that's the real end of the video. And, yes, Netflix works on this. So, hallelujah. Alright, anyways. This is Smash Vs. Nerd signing out for real. Peace, guys!